tired to stifle. My lyrics pointed at you. Hieroglyphics principle, invincible, dimensional, unsympathetical MC. Knocking down cheese, overwhelming spectators. Fight for nice views, see the cues when I abuse, man. I'll be the accused, man. Besides, production is concrete. Such a shame, something you can't eat. But just in mind that the contents are edible. And watch for overdose, cause I'm no medical physician. Instead, a musician in a group of bandit activating MCs. Cause I'm cool sailing. Cause I'm cool sailing. Well, here it goes. 1, 2, 3. My vocals need no testing. I'm pushed, nuts to 22, and it's a blessing. So while I'm stepping on the land of the living, I avoid the tappers and the negative smatterings. Now kings or queens and dignitary, His Eminence Yahweh is the only one that I show reference. So I suggest to keep your eye on the board or you'll fall. See, there goes another close call.
We're cool sailing. We're cool sailing. We're cool sailing. We're cool sailing.
Hatred, don't let it get to your head, but instead, you do what Solomon said. Humble yourself and deviate from vanity. If you hit a time, you display insanity. You're an entertainer, you're there to entertain. Don't let the size of groupies affect your brain. Promises, but when you're trying to make it, when you make it, you fake it, and you cross the tracks, which is whack. I'm cool sailing.
We're cool sailing. We're cool sailing.
Hungfin is cool, the bass is scrumptious, oh so sensuous but also voluptuous. Don't be misled by the funky bass line. Let it be said the uncommercial rhyme is my forte. The hung gun comes to play. As Margaret said, KMT is the DJ. The ones that catch you better watch yourself. To all your family and friends, cheers, good health. We're coming down, I never fail it. With RBB, we're cool sailing.
We're cool sailing. We're cool sailing.
Yo, I just said, what's up, man? Yo, we do not despise the buffalo. We only despise the lump. We don't despise the sucker. We only despise the suck. We don't despise the biter. We only despise the bite. Yo, what's up? No ifs, no buts. What supposing? And in closing, yo, I just want to add Cash 42 and RBB. It's cool sailing. Cool sailing. Cool sailing.
We're cool sailing. We're cool sailing.